How to make flashcards on Memrise. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can make flashcards on Memrise. So how do you make flashcards on Memrise? You can make flashcards on Memrise as a tutor, as a content or as a course creator on Memrise. And to do that, you have to ensure that you subscribe to the pro version of Memrise. So how do you subscribe? On the home page, move to the top right corner, click on the profile icon, and then you'll see your membership as the first option on the settings page where you can see upgrade. So click on that. You'll be redirected to the page where you can now upgrade your account. So once you've upgraded your account, your interface will change such that you have an opportunity for you to create a course. So just move to the top part of the screen, click on the courses tab, and then select create a course. Once you've done that, go ahead to create a course by creating levels within your course, add the words or phrases needed to be learned. Then for each level, you will be able to add flashcards, all right, by typing in the word or phrase, its translation, and any example sentences or images. You will be able to do that as long as you're on the pro version and as long as you have been able to select your course. So just head over to your courses tab, create a course, create levels. For each level, go ahead. You see the option for you to add flashcards as a means of learning. Go ahead to add flashcards by typing in the word or phrase, its translation, any example sentences or image. And then once you've added all the flashcards, click save and continue to review your course and learning would start. So this is how to make flashcards on Memrise. So just follow what I've said, upgrade, and you'll be able to do all of this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.